Hi guys, Maltong here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install WordPress on your hosting from SkyViewHost.com. The first thing you need to do is go to your account, so you go to SkyViewHost.com and log in. Once you're there, go to Services and click Active. Now log into Cpanel. Now once you're logged into Cpanel, you can type in there soft. You go to software, you'll see WordPress is there. We also have Joomla, there's PrestaShop and OpenCart. There's a lot of software there that you can install, but for today we'll be installing WordPress. So we click on there. Now this is installing 4.9.2, which is currently the latest version of WordPress, which was released on the 16th of the 1st, 2018. So we will install this now. Now it will ask you what you want to do here. We will choose HTTPS because all of our servers automatically get installed with HTTPS. It will come up there with an error saying that it's a trusted SSL certificate was not found, but just ignore that. I like to put it in the root directory, so we'll take away WP. Now here you put the site name, whatever you want to call it. Now this is a hobby website. I'm planning on using this as a test affiliate site, and it will be selling anything to do with hobbies. So whether this will be radio control cars or anything like this. So for the title I'll just put Hobby Dabber for now. hobbydabber.com. For all your hobby needs, that'll do. Now we can choose the admin and password here, the username. I'll just put that. This here, we'll hide that. There we go. I'll just change that. I've not set this up yet, but it doesn't matter, to be honest. Copy that there. Now we can limit the login attempts on this if we want to. So if you try to log in 3 times and it fails, it will actually block your IP for a set period of time. Normally this is around 30 minutes, but for this I'll leave that off. Here we can choose the name of our database, but for that I'll leave that as it is, and just paste the email there, click install. We can also choose a theme here if we want to choose a theme. There's quite a few there, but I will leave this. I already have a theme in mind, so I'll just click install. And in no time that's installed. WordPress is actually installed now on that site. So if I go to that website now, you'll see WordPress is there, hobbydabber.com. And it's a brand new WordPress. And if we go to the admin, there you'll see everything's all installed. Okay then, that's it for today's video. Until the next time, I bid you all a good day.